What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from UNiceHair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. And look at this cute bag that I got this time with this wig. I'm so excited to use that as a travel bag. But this is what the wig looks like. It is 24 inches. It is 13 by 4 lace front, and it has curtain bangs. As you can see right here, it's pre-curled, pre-bleached, and you're going to be installing it, or I'm going to be installing it with the ear tape here. And this is just the construction of the wig, so you can see the bleaching, you can see the pre-cut lace. It's on a dome cap. It has this strap here in the back, as well as the non-slip grip around the bottom of the wig and the combs on the inside as well. So, and it's pre-curled, if I didn't say that already. But yeah, so these are just some of the goodies that come with the bag. I love all the things that come with UNice's packaging. It's always so cute. But yeah, if you want to see me install the wig, you got to keep watching. Alright, so jumping right into the video, I'm starting with my hair already semi-braided. I just have my hair going straight to the back. I'm taking some of my edge booster and just slicking back my edges in the front because I can't braid that well, and so I don't know how to grip the hair in the front, so I always have to just brush it back with my edge booster and my edge brush so I can get something sleek like this. I'm not going to use a wig cap for this install, but I am going to go ahead and adjust this strap and slide the wig right on my head. I don't want to use a wig cap because I just want a more of a natural finish, and I don't feel like doing the wig cap method. But this install is super easy. The only thing you have to do is just tuck in that comb in the back, adjust the straps, and then make sure everything fits okay around your ears. It does have the ear cutouts to make it fit comfortably. And then once everything is fitting good, then I'm going to go ahead and start installing the ear tape here. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking some of my rose water or whatever and cleaning up my hairline just to get rid of any residue, because this wig has ear tape. And I realized with frontals, I really love using these. These are super easy. The only thing you do is just peel it back and stick. It's like a sticker for your skin, and this lasts pretty long. And I mean, it really just depends on the oils of your skin and how much you sweat, but honestly, this can last maybe 2 days for me. But the good thing is they do give you more, so that you can refresh your tape as much as you need to. So this is me doing the same thing on the other side. You're just going to peel it back just like a sticker. Super easy. And then you're just going to pull the lace forward to the area where you want it, and then you're going to press it onto your skin. And then I like to press and hold for a few seconds just to make sure everything looks right. And then you can just give it a little tug, and you can see that that baby is not going nowhere. And voila, you have a glueless wig install with just the ear tape. Alright, so really quickly, I just took the bangs down, took the little roller out because I just wanted to see what I was working with here. And I just want to run my fingers through these curls. And yeah, everything is looking super cute. I am going to do baby hairs on the sides. Just because my natural hairline comes out just a little bit, but it's really not necessary. You don't have to, but I decided I wanted to for me because I think I'm going to do this hair in a half up, half down type style because it looks really cute like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and roll these little bangs back up. I definitely want to keep the curl in them because they look so cute. And then I'm going to take my little comb and just do just my edges just a little bit. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. Alright, so after I let my edges sit for a little bit, I'm going to take my little edge band off, and then I'm just going to go over my hairline with my Ruby Kisses cream makeup and my flat top brush. That's literally the only thing that I needed to do to blend the lace, because everything else was just looking so seamless and great. And then once that's done, now I'm just going to go ahead and take this little roller out and see the final product. When I tell you this wig was so cute, look at this and look how easy it was to style. There's literally nothing for me to do. I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and combing through it. If you want to take like your curling iron and like bump the curls in a certain way, you absolutely can. You can do that. You can flat iron it. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like in its original state. But let me tell you one thing. Once I grabbed this hair up like this, I knew this wig was finna eat. Like, can you see this? Like, I know you see this right now. The half up, half down style with the bangs or whatever, that was super cute. So I'm going to be showing you that a little bit later. But right now, I just want to show you what the wig looks like down. It is super versatile, really cute. The hair is very, very soft and fluffy. I love that it has layers in it already. I wanted to put that out there. I didn't have to do any cutting of layers, but I did just do light cutting on the bangs just so that it wouldn't be in my eyes so much. I just wanted it a little more even, but besides that, that's the only thing I had to do. So now I'm just flipping the hair around, tugging at it. Look how secure it is on the sides. I love using the tape like that on my wigs because it is way better, and it's still glueless at the top. Yeah, this wig is the one, not the two. I love the layers. I love how soft it is. This is just what it's looking like in the back. I did take a curling iron like after this video, like when I wore it just outside, and just curled the hair some more. But if you wanted to leave it in its natural state or flat iron it, you definitely can do that. But the layering looks so good, and it already frames my face, like, and it's soft. I didn't have any issues with tangling, shedding, anything like that. But really quickly, I just wanted to show you what it looks like in a half up, half down, because it looks so cute with this bangs and the waves. So what I did was just grab my hair up a little bit. As you can see, it's even layered like around my ears, the wig is, so it just made the style look even more natural. I had like pieces falling to the side, and it just gave like a real cutesy look. So I just took a cute little ponytail holder. I didn't do anything like too permanent, like, you know, wasn't going to take my like hairspray and hot comb or anything like that to create like a sleek ponytail. If you want a sleek half up, half down, you absolutely can. I just wanted to do like a quick little messy half up, half down look just to show you the versatility. If you wanted to pull this wig into a ponytail as well, you can, or a high ponytail. You can definitely do that. That's super cute as well. But definitely check out this wig. You will not regret it. Honestly, this is one of my favorites. I love the bangs. I love the layers. I love how soft it is. Like, it's so adorable. Definitely check it out. All the information will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.